Maximizing your security, benefits of managed bug bounty programs. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity threats are ever evolving, putting your business at risk. How can you stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities? Introducing Managed Bug Bounty by Host, a proactive approach to securing your digital assets. Managed Bug Bounty leverages a global community of ethical hackers who test your systems for vulnerabilities, providing you with a comprehensive security assessment. Crowdsourced security. Harness the power of thousands of skilled ethical hackers worldwide. These experts identify potential security gaps, ensuring your system is tested against the latest threats. Continuous monitoring. Unlike traditional penetration tests, our program offers continuous monitoring, so new vulnerabilities are identified and addressed in real time, keeping your security posture up to date. Custom scopes. Tailor the program to focus on critical areas of your business. Define specific assets, applications, and systems you want to be tested, ensuring targeted and effective security assessments. Advanced reporting. Receive detailed, actionable insights with our advanced reporting. Each report includes a summary of findings, severity ratings, step-by-step remediation advice, and proof-of-concept exploits, helping you understand and mitigate risks efficiently. Vulnerability verification. Every vulnerability discovered is verified by our team of experts before being reported to you, ensuring accuracy and reducing false positives. Seamless integration. Integrate our Managed Bug Bounty program with your existing security infrastructure. We support integration with various ticketing systems, SIEMs, and other security tools, streamlining vulnerability management and remediation. Secure communication. Communicate securely with ethical hackers and our support team through our encrypted platform, ensuring sensitive information remains protected. Incentive management. We handle the entire process of rewarding ethical hackers for their findings, including defining bounty amounts and ensuring prompt payments, motivating continuous participation and engagement. With our managed service, you get expert oversight from Host, ensuring every vulnerability is thoroughly vetted and prioritized based on risk. Want to learn more? Visit our website, aclehost.cloud.